Wait, that's not RT. Supporters, aka my sister Kiera, asked me to do a video on how my car sounded when idle. So you can see I idle around I think around 1100 sometimes. Honestly can't tell, but I'll go ahead and let the window down. Window down. Throw it in reverse. It's about 72 degrees out. Kind of just takes it away. It's not too shaky. It's not insane with the cam. Definitely feels great. Give it a little bit of gas. There's not much drone. Not even around 70 to 80, but then again, I do have mufflers for now. I do a little bit. I give it a little bit of more gas. But I'll give it a little bit. Kind of wet, and I'm on drag radius right now. No downshift. Got a little pop come out of there. Slightly cracked. I'll go ahead and close it. But as you can see, it's not bad at all. I'm actually getting used to the sound. Maybe that's it. This car is trying to catch up to me. That's cute. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. More videos to come. Like, comment, subscribe. I know I don't have an SRT. I do have an RT. As you can see, 160 on the dash. The numbers are from the Tazer. Same thing with the SRT pages. The Tazer from Zautomotive. I'll put the link down in the description if you guys are interested in getting one of those. But I think that's gonna end my video for now.
I gotta find a way, yeah. I ain't got no time to stress no more. I gotta find